Hey guys, this is Shannon with AVADirect, and welcome to the newest episode of AVARigs. This is a special one, as this is one of the very first 8086K limited edition processor built rigs we've done. So we wanted to show this off because this thing is not only a limited edition processor, but we actually overclocked it to over 5 gigahertz on all 6 cores and 12 threads on the Maximus X Hero board. And this thing is cooled by a Kraken X62 cooler. It has a 1080 Ti Black Edition from EVGA, 850 watt power supply powering it all, 32 gigs of RAM, and it's all housed inside of this Enthoo Pro M from Fantex. This is an amazing case, gives really good airflow, and gives you an excellent build opportunity, as you can see here, to really show off your rig with the tempered glass side panel and just overall build an awesome aesthetic, whether you want it to be a single static color or rainbow happiness like you see here. It's really your choice as to how you want it to be configured, and that's what's great about what we offer here at AVADirect. We can build the custom system exactly the way you want it to be a showpiece, and it doesn't have to be crazy hard tube liquid cooling. It simply can be the best of the best based on the parts you want.
If you're looking forward to some great content coming out of our team here at AVADirect, please join us on our social media channels such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And be sure to like and subscribe to this channel so you get notifications when we upload brand new videos to get you the newest in tech every day.